Instead of memorizing dozens of commands and getting confused, beginners can navigate categories such as information gathering, password auditing, wireless security testing, web application assessment, and a lot more. Installation is relatively simple. Visit Google and type Miniso FSociety, and the first link that appears, click on that and it will take you straight to their GitHub page. One thing I have noticed with the FSociety install, as time passes, there is a slight change to the process. Initially, I changed to the OPT folder after having logged in as root using sudo su. This stands for optional, for any third-party software installed. The first command is the git clone command, downloading from github.com/miniso/fsociety.git. It's actually a pretty quick download. If I can even type properly, it is now downloaded. The FSociety folder is now listed after running ls. cd to that directory and take a look at the contents. Here are several very important files: update.sh and fsociety.py, but the most important file is install.sh. We can start the process with /install.sh and it runs through pretty quick. This next part is questionable, as I have run the update.sh on several installations in the past. I am currently root, but cannot run this file, therefore I am required to change the permissions of the file. Bit of a test of your memory, but we do this with the chmod command. Specifically, ch+x update.sh. You press enter, but nothing happens. But running ls and you can see it is now green, meaning it has full rights. Run the /update command again. If it fails, do not worry. This may be because it does not require an update, as you will soon see. So, one more to go, and that is the FSociety file itself. The same process is required again, as we need full admin rights on the FSociety file. So use the chmod+x command, and you are good to go, as the file is now green. Clear the screen and fire it up. The /fsociety.py file should now execute, and some notes like a disclaimer appear. That's if I can type. Just agree to the T's and C's with a yes, and it will fire up the initial menu for FSociety. Congratulations on getting this far. It was worth the wait installing, as you will see. There are many options within FSociety, all within a single pane of glass. Number 1, for instance, is information gathering, very popular in ethical hacking. To get back to the main menu, type 99. There are also password attacks. This is perfect for testing your company's password policy. Also, we have wireless testing. I have done a few of these already on my channel, but here are some more. There are all kinds of ethical tools on here for testing yours or your company's network. Shortly, I am going to show you 2 of the techniques. One is going to be information gathering and one is going to be brute forcing. For demonstration, I have turned on my Metasploitable VM as a target for FSociety. I need the IP address of this target, which is 192.168.0.166. Back at the prompt, I am going to use the Nmap scan on FSociety to gather all of the port data. By typing in the target IP address and then selecting the port scan option, it returns results super fast. Even I am impressed with that. Metasploitable is purposefully wide open and is perfect for hacking. So many services are running as open. The first port on the list is FTP, and I have the perfect tool for this, called BruteX. To reach this tool, from the main menu, select 6, which is web hacking. There are a lot of tools for web hacking here, but we are going to use BruteX at number 11. I type number 11 and press enter. It's the first time, so it runs through a little script and comes up with the IP address prompt. All I have to do here is type the target IP address of Metasploitable and away we go. By the use of its own word lists within the FSociety directory, it can break into the device, initially testing its FTP accounts. Awesome, we now have 4 accounts listed for logging in via FTP. I've opened up another CLI tab, so I can now use the FTP command to log on to the server. It's as simple as FTP followed by the IP address. Armed with the username and passwords from the Nmap scan, 1 being FTP for both, which is truly awful. I now own the server. FTP has a different command set to other devices, but there are some common ones such as ls and cd. Typing ls shows a folder called vulnerable. I wonder if that has useful info for a hacker. To finish the test, we cd to this directory and run an ls again. Oh yes, we have hit the jackpot, as we can now look inside these files. Please, always use difficult passwords or a password manager. It may just save your business. As always, this video has been for educational purposes. Always seek permission from the owner of the server and never try this out on the public internet. Thanks for watching this one today. A truly useful tool, I am sure you agree. Like it? Then like, share and subscribe for more tips, and we will see you very soon.